Thank you for your generous donations to the ISP Fund. Our ES Wonder Lab has been able to add new resources that tie specifically in with our STEM goals as a school. We're able to use these new tools and resources and really expand on the experience that kids are having.
Thank you for your generous donation to the ISP Fund. In particular, I'm really excited about the big blocks that we've been able to purchase with the donations. We have placed the big blocks on our elementary playground, and kids are able to play with them every single day. They're really an open-ended material that the kids have been able to engage in on a regular basis.
They sometimes have arguments, and that's also really important that these will cause arguments. There's only a limited number of blocks, so how can they find the solutions to the arguments? How can they organise themselves? And it's slightly scary, you could fall. It's actually very an important part for this age group of children to have that feeling of something that's on the edge of risky, but fully absorbs their attention.
The machine itself, when it first arrived at the school, I thought, I wonder if we could maybe use this to tie in the puberty unit a little bit. Mainly looking at the reproductive systems. You know, we look at maybe a video or try and look at some textbooks, but this just brings it to life, and it has a big wow factor.
Thanks to the generosity of the ISP Fund, we have so many incredible new resources for our elementary students to enjoy in the Wonder Lab that spark curiosity, really just drive them to deeper learning and have high engagement with hands-on, interactive robots and equipment for science learning, design and engineering.
Thank you for your generous gift. It's enabled us to continue to grow our outdoor learning program inside and both outside. This year we added a vertical hydroponic garden, and that's helped us to grow vegetables in the winter as well as in the summer months outside.
Big thank you to all of our ISP donors. In athletics and activities for the last few years, we've seen many enhancements. These include new floodlights on our football pitch. We also have a brand new Frankie the Falcon. Maybe you've seen Frankie outside of school on a Friday morning. This year we'll be installing new gym screens in our sports hall, and will allow us to use the screens as scoreboarders when we are hosting big events here on campus.
Thank you for your gift. It's helped us to make the ISP Library a more welcoming space for our younger learners.